The average Sri Lankan family looks like this. You've got the parents on the top and then you've got the children. But there are two types of Sri Lankan children. There's the golden child and then there's the useless child, the bottom ranking member of the family. Now the golden child and the useless child can live in the same house with the same parents and have completely different lives. If the golden child comes home late, it looks like this.
You came home late last night. I hope you had a good time.
If the useless child comes home late, it looks like this.
You came home late last night. I hope you had a good time.
So how do you know if you're the useless child? Well, there are three ways. First of all, the useless child gets all the useless jobs.
First, go and pick up Uncle Mohan from the airport, come home, go to Auntie Shanta's house, drop this chicken curry off, pick up the chairs, come home, clean up this mess. Then, by the way, I have volunteered your whole room to Uncle Mohan, so you better go and get your bed ready on the sofa.
Secondly, nobody respects any of the useless child's achievements.
What good is your fancy engineering degree if this internet is not working? 22 years waste. Just waste.
And finally, if you're the useless child, you get blamed for everything.
This computer is very slow. You must have gone and downloaded some virus, no? Sorry, this house is an absolute disaster zone. It's this useless child. Sorry, we're late. It's this useless
But
child.
there's one exception to these rules. When the useless child has exams. For this brief moment in time, the useless child gets promoted all the way to the top of the family unit.
No, I'll send your brother to the airport. You focus on your studies. No, darling. You have an exam. You sleep in your bed. I'll tell the other child to go and sleep on the sofa. Darling, can I get you anything? Chocolate cake, butter cake, ribbon cake, wedding cake, love cake, jaggery cake, date cake, eggless date cake.
That's because in exam time, it's not just the useless child who has exams, but the whole family.
No, child, we won't be there because we have exams this month. Here, can you keep the volume down? We have an exam in the
But the
morning.
moment exams are finished, the useless child gets demoted all the way back to the bottom and everything goes back to normal. And that's the life of the useless child. Tell me, are you the useless child or are you the golden child? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.